Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to introduce to you a very important cosmetic ingredient that every organic formulator should have. So if you make organic skincare product and you want you don't like silicone, or you don't like dimeticone, you want a natural replacement, I highly encourage you to go for this natural oil. It's not a oil per se, but I can call it a replacement for dimeticone or for silicone. Okay, so it's called Isoamyl Laurate. The trade name, the popular trade name for this is Dermofeel Sensolv. Okay, so now here we go. Isoamyl Laurate is a must-have for you, especially if you want the magical effect of dimeticone without using dimeticone. Okay, so if you make skincare product and you make hair care product, this is something you want to incorporate into your formula to see some magic, especially if you make a shampoo and you notice shampoo breaks here a lot, right? So if you include this in your shampoo, it's going to do a lot of amazing, wonderful products. So there are a lot of benefits for Isoamyl Laurate. I'm going to show you a colorless liquid. The good thing about Isoamyl Laurate is that you can incorporate in the oil phase of your formulation. Okay, and when you incorporate in the oil phase of your formulation, you're going to see a lot of change in how your product turns out. Okay, so if you want to experience the magic of silicone without using silicone, you want to go for this natural oil, and it's very good. It's better than most carrier oil because it's not oxidizable. Okay, and it's biodegradable. The version I'm talking about today is the plant derived one. You have to keep in mind there are two versions of Isoamyl Laurate. Okay, there is the synthetic version, okay, is there, and there's plant derived version by pureblendnaturals.com. so you can get your own at Pureblend Natural. Is the plant derived biodegradable version of Isoamyl Laurate. So that is what you want to get. It ships to, I think, to the USA and also within Canada. Now what you want to do is incorporate it in the oil phase of your formulation. Okay, if you are making skincare product, this is how the oil look. It's non-oxidizable and highly efficient. I'm going to tell you a bit about the benefit of this so you know how exciting it is. As a formulator, I recently came across not recently, I mean late last year, I came across this, and it has been a life-changing ingredient for me, so I don't want you to miss out. So let me tell you a bit about Isoamyl Laurate and how it can help you in your formulation. Isoamyl Laurate is an excellent oil for making fantastic skincare product. It has silicone-like property because it helps to give your product an elegant skin feel. Okay, and it's non-greasy. So the good thing about it also is that it's EcoSad and Cosmo approach. So if you want to make an organic product now, this is a very excellent natural silicone replacement you want to include. It's non-oxidizable. It has a great solvating property for UV filter, so you can also use it to make sun care product. And so now compared to other synthetic products like alkyl benzoates and the rest, this is going to give you excellent spreadability in your products. Okay, so it's an ideal choice for skincare, hair care, color cosmetic, sun care product, and you can also use this amazingly to make baby care products. So what other thing can I tell you about this? So now let's go about it. You can use it to make hot and cold process formulation. If you make fragrance, okay, if you make a body spray, this and that, you can also include it. Okay, if you make fragrance, you can also use this to make fragrance. Excellent product. Now for hair care, let me tell you the important of it. But before I go to hair care, if you are making skincare product, it's going to help improve the sensorial feeling of your product. The texture is going to be more luxurious and it's going to be more different. Product made with Isoamyl Laurate has excellent texture. Okay, the texture is better than those that are not made with Isoamyl. So keep that in mind. You want luxury feel. Okay, when you want your lotion to have a luxury feel, you want to make sure you include this ingredient. It's available right now at pureblendnatural.com. If you're in Canada, don't look anywhere else, go to Pure Blend Natural. This is where you can get the plant derived biodegradable version. Be careful though, there are two versions. There are the synthetic version and there's the plant derived biodegradable version. So you want to go for that at pureblendnaturals.com. Now, so when you use it to make products, skincare products, it's going to have excellent feeling on the skin. It's not going to be draggy, even though it helps to reduce soaping effects, okay, but it's not meant only for soaping effects, okay, but it's just meant to make your product have excellent skin feel, and it also moisturizes very well. Now that's for skincare product. You can, when you're making skincare product, you can use it from 0.5% to 20%. That's how you use Isoamyl Laurate for skincare. Now let's go to hair care. It has so much advantage for hair care. It helps to, you know, to retain your curl, okay, especially if you want curls. You can use it to build up curls and also to retain curls, so keep that. Also, if you have flyaway a lot, so if you use this product for your hair, it helps to reduce flyaway. Highly essential. I've noticed over 80% difference in the product made with Isoamyl Laurate and product made with regular oil, so please keep that in mind. It also makes the hair soft and easy to comb, so if you include this in your hair care formulation, oh my god, your product is going to stand out, okay. This is going to give your product a good review. Keep that in mind. But keep in mind, when you're making hair care product, you can only use it, I recommend that you use it between 0.1 to 2%, okay. When you're making hair care, you just need a little bit. Remember, hair care product don't need too much oil, that's why you should use it up to 2%, between 0.1% to 2%. Your product will be non-greasy and you're going to be silky, okay. It's going to be silky because when you make, especially when you use this also to make a shampoo, your shampoo is going to have rich and creamy foam, and it's going to leave the hair soft, smooth and silky, okay. Make sure also that you go for the naturally derived one. Do not go for the synthetic one. The synthetic one is over there, but if you're really concerned, if you're really, you know, safety conscious, I recommend that you go for the biodegradable version, okay. It spreads well on the skin. It protects hair against damage. You can use it for hot or cold process. Applications of Isoamyl Laurate ranges from cleansers, lotions, cream, body butter, shampoo, conditioner. You can use it to make fragrance. You can use it for color cosmetics, suncare, including even sunscreen products. You can also use it for baby care products. It's very safe for baby, okay. Now, is it soluble in oil? What is it soluble in? It is soluble in oil. Now, if you want to use it for water product like maybe hairspray or cologne, you're going to use a solubilizer to solubilize it, okay. Then you can now add your other ingredients. So that's how you can use it for water only product. Now that's about it for this. If you want to buy it in Canada, or if you're in the US and Canada, you can buy it at pureblendnaturals.com. Excellent price, excellent product, biodegradable version. There are a lot of synthetic out there. Make sure you go for the biodegradable version at pureblendnaturals.com. In my next video, I'm going to just tell you briefly how to use Isoamyl Laurate. I will not take much of your time, but just I want to use this to introduce this ingredient to you. You will love it. Please, if you have used this product like I have used it, drop your comment in the comment box below, and let's take it from there. Thank you so much for watching. This is a channel where I give you helpful cosmetic formulation tips. So if you want to improve your cosmetic formulation tips, this is the channel for you. So click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my next video. Thanks for watching.